Am I back yet? Okay, I keep getting kicked off. Facebook is not very reliable, I guess, when it comes to streaming. Sorry about that, guys. I was just reading Connie's comment. Right now, my son has the flu really bad. I seek professional help, and now I'm using oils for support. Use common sense, people, and I absolutely agree. Essential oils are sometimes not the main player in your health issue. Sometimes they are supportive, and sometimes they're not going to help at all, such as with thyroid issues. So yes, Connie, that is really awesome. I'm sorry your son has the flu, and I'm glad you seek professional help. That is great. Sarah has a question. Do you have recommendations for dealing with grief? Yes. Yes, I do. Connie, can you show the tea that I was cleaning? Can you show the tea I was cleaning? I think there's a typo in there. Sarah is asking for essential oils dealing with grief. Yes. So I do have some wonderful essential oils that I recommend, and I am going to read them off to you from here. So this is a book. This was super fun and exciting. So yesterday, and hopefully I don't get cut off because that would be really sad and I'll just have to wait a minute. The day before yesterday when I went live, I actually showed you the headache and migraine blend and all of the details in this book that I'm super, super excited about. So this is literally the only copy that currently exists. It's called the Essential Oil Blending Student Textbook, and this is what my publisher sent me to review and edit. And my blending class students from the September to December class are ordering these right now because I'm going to be putting together a big order for these textbooks. This is for students only, but I am actually going to show you, even though this is exclusive to students only, I am actually going to show you the grief blend that I do have in here. And if you are interested in getting a copy, right now I am giving these away free as part of the VIP upgrade. The VIP upgrade is currently free right now for anyone who enrolls in the Essential Oil Blending class, which begins in April. The link for that is eoblendingclass.com. So I'm going to be flipping. You can see there's 9 body systems that we will be covering, and the grief section is in our limbic body system here, and as you can see, there's a bunch of different things that we cover for the limbic system, and I am just super excited. This took a ton of work, and I will show you why. And thank you, huge shout out to especially the VIP students from our first cycle who helped me with this a lot, as far as the typos and this should be bolded and this is not spaced correctly and all of that, because this was a lot of work. So much work that went into this. So here is the first page. I do have